Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. So let's write on the screen that this is fairbinaryoptions.com. We are looking at the US dollar and the Swiss franc here. My point of view, we just have a flat pattern that is completed here. This flat is a I would say an irregular flat. An irregular flat because the lows in the previous B wave there took the lows on the previous wave, and this is explained by the fact that the previous lows here are or were actually at the end of a contracting triangle. So at the end of this contracting triangle, like this, so at the end of this contracting triangle were the previous lows. So if you take a line and put it here like this, you are seeing that these were, or that was the moment, or the decisive moment from where this corrective wave started. Now I would say that, taking into account the fact that this ends with a contracting triangle, it means that the whole previous move here is no impulsive move. It is still a corrective one, and therefore we have a three-way structure here to the downside, then we have a three-way structure here to the upside, and then we are looking for something else. Something else like what? Well, the key stays all the time in the retracement level that we have for the whole move. So if you look from the highs and you take a fib from here to here like this, you are seeing that basically this move to the upside is not retracing more than 61.8. Because it's not retracing more than 61.8, it cannot be a flat, and this being still a corrective wave, it cannot be a flat of a bigger degree. Therefore everything that ends here ends with a so-called intervening wave or a connective wave, and this is being an X wave of a bigger degree, and this X wave of a bigger degree ends here, and this is the flat that I want to discuss here about, as this flat goes with this being wave A of a lower degree, and of course this being the B wave here, and of course this being the C wave here, all the way to the upside. So A and the B and the C, 335 impulsive move here, 1 2 3 4 5, 335, all the rules actually being respected. And what should we expect now? Now we should expect a move to the downside this time, and I would like that this move to the downside to be an impulsive move, to start here, to start from here, and to challenge what? To challenge definitely these lows here. And if you come to think of it, if you come to think of what it means, well, it will mean that at least for the euro US dollar, which is the inversely correlated pair, it would mean that the euro US dollar would reverse all the way back to 140. Sounds a bit unrealistic now if you come to think of the ECB, the European Central Bank, and the fact that they are looking at cutting the interest rates next time they meet, and so on and so forth. But whenever you trade currency pair, you should keep in mind exactly this, that you are trading a currency pair and not a currency as a whole. So I would say that the US dollar is on the verge of collapsing a bit, with everything to come into initial positions, the ones that were before the ECB last Thursday. And if I were to place a small bet, I would say that this will happen this coming week, but already started. So long story short, we had a spike higher, a spike lower. I would like to buy put options, and I would like to buy the put options here at at this level with end of week expiration date, trying to avoid a bit of volatility to come for the days to come. So buying put options with end of week expiration date is the, let's say, the thing that I'm interested in, and is what I'm looking for the US dollar Swiss franc at this very moment of time. Normally we should look at the following situation: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minimum to come, as that would be the target if I would trade it on the regular spot market, or when you trade binary options like we do here, and you buy put options like we do here, then the target should be only, or price should be only lower than the striking price at the expiration date, and the option would expire in the money. Striking price is, of course, right here around 0.89. Thank you very much for being here. Keep in mind that this is fairbinaryoptions.com. This is regular analysis on our website here, and all these recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor, Lioneye. Have a great day, and make sure you check fairbinaryoptions.com, the Binary Options Academy project that we have there, and also Lioneye.com. Bye bye.